Imagine picking up a smartphone that doesn't just feel smart, but feels like it's thinking one step ahead of you. And that's exactly the promise behind the upcoming Google Pixel 11 Pro XL, a phone that could quietly redefine what we expect from Android flagships, because from the very first leak, it feels like Google is preparing something special, something that goes far beyond just specs on paper. Now picture this, a massive, ultra-premium display stretching edge to edge, likely a 6.9-inch LTPO OLED panel with buttery-smooth 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, jaw-dropping brightness for outdoor use, and colors tuned the Pixel way, natural, accurate, and easy on the eyes, making scrolling, gaming, and binge-watching feel incredibly fluid, while underneath that gorgeous screen, Google is expected to power the Pixel 11 Pro XL with its next-generation Tensor G5 chip, a processor built not just for raw speed but for AI-first performance, meaning everyday tasks feel instant, multitasking is effortless, and on-device AI runs smarter and faster without draining your battery. And speaking of AI, this is where the Pixel 11 Pro XL really starts to separate itself, because Google's AI features are expected to be deeper than ever, from smarter call screening and real-time voice translation to advanced photo editing that lets you reshape reality with just a few taps, enhanced generative AI wallpapers, and an upgraded assistant that understands context better than ever. Almost like having a personal tech companion in your pocket. Now let's talk battery, because a phone this big needs serious endurance, and leaks suggest a battery around the 5,300 mAh range, optimized by Google's AI-driven power management, meaning all-day and likely two-day battery life for most users, paired with faster wired charging, improved wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging that turns your phone into a power bank when you need it most. Cameras, of course, are pure Pixel DNA, and the Pixel 11 Pro XL is expected to feature a refined triple-camera system with a new main sensor for better low-light shots, an upgraded ultra-wide lens for expansive landscapes, and a periscope telephoto lens capable of even cleaner long-range zoom, all backed by Google's legendary computational photography. So whether it's night shots, portraits, video stabilization, or cinematic video modes, this phone is designed to capture moments exactly how you remember them, if not better. Performance-wise, the combination of Tensor G5, faster RAM, and optimized Android means smooth gaming, stable frame rates, and long-term software support, with Google expected to offer up to 7 years of Android and security updates, making this not just a phone you buy, but an investment that lasts. Design-wise, expect a refined Pixel look with premium materials, slimmer bezels, improved durability, and that iconic camera bar evolving into something even more polished and futuristic. As for the launch date, all signs point toward a fall 2026 reveal, most likely in October, staying true to Google's traditional Pixel launch window, and if pricing remains competitive, this could be one of the most balanced flagship phones on the market. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. But before you go, here's the twist that might surprise you. Early rumors suggest Google is testing an exclusive AI camera feature on the Pixel 11 Pro XL that may never come to older Pixels, even with updates, meaning this phone could unlock abilities we haven't even seen yet, and that alone might make it the most future-proof Pixel ever created.